Good morning. So we are at this beautiful place. In one side is Finland and in another one is Norway. Update on drone issue. I managed to fix it. It was controller power button. I need to press very hard to make it work. Probably just a random issue and right now it's working. Next thing I noticed today, it was my headlight glass is broken. And yeah, I think it should everything be okay. And today's plan is to reach the Nordkapp. Right now it's 9:55 and we're leaving this place. Yeah, Norway! Really? We just crossed the border. This is water. I need to try if it's drinkable. Okay, we can fill it up. I just connected to, maybe it's okay. I think this is the real Norway because of the mountains. I don't know if you can see, but wow! Stopped at a random place nearby. Behind me is the sea, and for now it's less 119 kilometers until we reach Nordkapp, and I want to take the drone up and then take just lunch because it's lunchtime and we can taste. First tunnel and this whole road. Okay. Whoa! So dark, the eyes could not adjust so quickly when you come in from the sunny daylight sun. This one is more newer. So I saw the vanlifers, I believe from Netherlands, that they had the map on the back doors. I don't know from my shaky hands if you can see, but nice. So we entered the Nordkapp tunnel. This tunnel length is more than 6 kilometers. So yeah, it's interesting actually and very long. It's my first experience to drive in such long tunnel, and I believe this is speed where you can go 80 kilometers per hour because it was 60 and it was end of 60 kilometers per hour, and I can tell you that it's fast one. So half of the tunnel we just getting down, and right now we getting up. So very interesting. Very. Fifth tunnel in the row. So this one is 9% uphill. Can we handle it? Oh yeah. Good, we managed to get up the hill, but I can see the snow in the mountains. I don't know how it will be. Actually, it's interesting what is the weather outside. If I could find the spot where I can stop, I probably will stop and see. I don't know if you hear me, but outside it's very windy and yeah, it's refreshing. It's good. You can hear me, but it's so windy! We arrived at the spot, so yeah, outside it's very windy, and I almost lost my ticket because I opened the door and he's got out. So yeah, we just arrived at the Nordkapp, so it's basically Europe northwest point where you can go with the car. We paid 200 Nordic kronas and here we are in the parking lot. So right now we're packing up our things and going for explore. Yeah, let's see. Let's walk around. There's something